Hi all, this is Casey. I just wanted to do a quick tutorial for my aunt. What I'm going to do today is show very basically how to set up a WordPress blog. So you pick your favorite browser. I use Opera. It's just really good. I like this feature. So you want to go to www.wordpress.com. I would recommend watching this video, and then you get started. When you get started, you just pick an email address. I would pick one that isn't your regular email address. Maybe it's one that you set up specifically for it. And then you pick your own username and a password, and then whatever your username is, it's typically your blog address. So since I've already got an account, I'm going to log in so that I can show you some of the finer points. There we go. Now, what's loading here is the main page you get when you log into, obviously. And here you can see I have several blogs that I just started. And then here's your stats. This is how many people have seen your blog. And then this is important. This is where you can read any news or any of the featured blogs. That's really cool. And in general, that's pretty cool. You can explore your topics, anything that you're feeling, anything that you need, like arts and crafts or design or anything really. And so that I encourage you to use that, because you can find friends and actually a support group if you need. This freshly pressed, that's brand new blog entries. That's pretty cool. Then I guess here's some quick links up here. You can make a new post on your blog. Right from here you can see any of your likes or comments, and then this is your profile, settings, find friends, help and support, whatever. So I'm going to click into Crabsmith Design. This is a blog that my web design teacher had us set up. Here you'll see some of the blogs that I've had to post. This is, in general, what a blog looks like. It's just a generic template. They have a whole catalog that you can choose from, and you can have various degrees of customization. I think with most of the templates you can change your background and your font color, but you can't change much else besides that. What I'm going to do now is go to the dashboard and show you very basically what you could do there. So hang on a minute. Alright, this is the dashboard. As you can see, I have 13 posts, 3 comments. You can see which are approved. I only have one category. I haven't really used this much. I'm just getting started. The posts, all posts or add new. And then you can add a whole library. This is your library where, like, any of your photos that you posted, you can see what's up there. For example, this is my background image. I think I uploaded that twice. You can see that. Here's any of the links that I posted in there. Then here's your pages. This is the pages. Currently, my website only has one page, the about page and the main page. Here's your feedbacks, and this is where you do your appearance. Here's themes. You can do themes. Currently, this is the one I have, but there's many other different ones that people have made. You can buy them too, but if you're not going to be a very serious blogger, just pick one of these. You can change them around a little bit. They have widgets that you can put on there. About me, authors, just play around in here. There's a Twitter one. Display your Twitter tweets. menus, header. This is where you can put in your own custom header image. This is the default one for my template. You can make it, they suggest, in Photoshop or Illustrator or whatever. You can even probably do it in Paint, though. Change your background. Mobile site, enable mobile theme, yeah, that's so that people can see it on any of these devices here. You see iPad, iPod Touch, Windows Phone, yada yada. So what I'm going to do now is show you the posting. So you click add new. Okay, and then you would type in your title, so like, hey. And then you would just type in whatever you needed to. You don't have to worry about HTML coding if you don't know it, but it's up here, right here. It's links. Writing helper, copy a post, and request feedback. Let me see, let me write something real quick. Okay, and then we hit publish or save as draft. But we're just going to hit preview, and then you can see what it looks like. So that's one of them, and then there's the link back to my last post. I haven't published this yet. This is just a preview, but that's what it would look like if I actually published it. So I'm going to click back, and I'm going to show you a draft. So I have this draft here that I'm working on reading through a book, and so I know a little bit of HTML, so I'm doing that myself. But don't let that confuse you. You don't have to use the li and close li tags and stuff like that. That's just further styling. And if there's anything else you need to know, I believe you can just hit help, and that should be able to get you where you need to go and off your feet. Something hopefully useful. Alright, thanks, bye bye.